Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to apply some formulas as well as how to put text and to make text organized in Microsoft Excel. Without any further ado, let's get started. So let's just try to create a table. Let's just make this simple. Let's just say name in full. Let's capitalize everything, name in full. Let's start with math. Let's go to SST. Let's go to science and then English. Okay. So those are the things. A lot of people always get confused that the words goes up to the next column or next cell. So how do you solve that? So come here and make sure that when it turns into that cross, just double click it, okay, and it will take the full length of the words. So at times you can either just drag it, you just click, hold and drag it, okay, but double clicking it is the best. It will make sure that it fit all the same content. Like for this math, if we double click, it will squeeze itself or shrink itself. As well as this, you see it is now shrinking. You see the shrinking so that they cover the value or the content of what is there. So let's just give ourselves random name. Let's start with Bosco. Let's go with John. Go with this person. Let's go with day. Let's go with that person. Okay. So let's try to add some numerical value. Let's put 1. So after putting 1, just come into this box, and when it turns into that cross, just drag it. So after dragging it, okay, let's drag it. After dragging it up to here, you just leave it. You see it is right, it is saying 111. So how do you convert it so that it goes into the numbers? Just come here, auto fill option, you click it and then you click fill series. So it will now fill in all the series from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the end. So let's just click it. Are you seeing? So that is that 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. There is alternative way of which I'm going to also show you so that you get familiar with everything. The second way is by writing 1 and 2. After that, you just highlight the two of them and come to this cross here, this box. When it turns into cross, just drag it, okay, and it will follow the series. So those are the two ways of adding numbers, either in series or in other sequence. So that is that. So let's move to math. Let's just give them random numbers. So I'm going to stop it for a little while and fill everything. And then after that, I will tell you what next. So yeah, we are done. So let me just add one column here, and that column will be the column of total. Okay, so that is that. So I think you have seen we have column for serial number. Let's just double click so that it fit within the content. We have serial number, we have name in full, we have this subject, math, science, SST, English, then total. So here, if you want to maybe put the sum or the summation of everything here, you just click equal and then you click SUM. Okay, that is sum. So you just double click that sum and you try to highlight things. So you can highlight this up to that. Okay, so and you click enter. So that is it. So it is now 357. The beauty of Excel is that instead of doing everything row by row by row by row, so it makes things easier by just copying the first formula to the entire thing. Just come here, make sure that you put your cursor in that box. When it turns into cross, just drag it down up to the end. Okay, so and you click enter. sometimes it can just come or pop up automatically. So have you seen, instead of calculating 23 plus this, we have just done this thing in only 3 clicks, okay, or 3 entries. So that is the beauty of uh, Excel, and that's how you can enter uh, numbers in Excel sheet and also letters. Okay, so that is that. In the next lesson, we will learn more things, the like of subtraction, multiplication, so on and so forth. See you there.